Is your auto clicker refusing to click, leaving you in a state of pure rage? First, let's check your firewall settings. Type Firewall in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Then click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall on the left side of the window. Now, scroll through the list and make sure your auto clicker program is checked for both private and public networks. If it's not, check the boxes. If it's not listed, you'll need to add it using the Allow Another App button. Still not working? Let's try running it as an administrator. Right-click on the auto clicker's icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Select Run as Administrator. This gives the program the necessary permissions to function correctly. High CPU usage from other programs can interfere. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+C. Identify any programs using excessive CPU or memory and close them to free up resources for your auto clicker. Finally, double-check your click interval settings within the auto clicker itself. Setting it to low can overwhelm your system. Increase the interval slightly and test again. Good luck.